Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Life Lessons. Today, we embark on a journey deep into the heart and soul of Native American wisdom. Join me as we uncover the profound and life-changing lessons hidden within their timeless proverbs. 1. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Unknown. 2. Listen, or your tongue will make you deaf. Native American proverb. 3. The soul would have no rainbow if the eyes had no tears. Unknown. 4. When you were born, you cried, and the world rejoiced. Live your life in such a way that when you die, the world cries and you rejoice. Cherokee proverb. 5. Don't be afraid to cry. It will free your mind of sorrowful thoughts. Hopi proverb. 6. Tell me, and I'll forget. Show me, and I may not remember. Involve me, and I'll understand. Tribe unknown. 7. It is no longer good enough to cry peace, we must act peace, and live in peace. Shenandoah proverb. 8. We are made from Mother Earth and we go back to Mother Earth. Shenandoah proverb. 9. Man's law changes with his understanding of man. Only the laws of the Spirit remain always the same. Crow proverb. 10. Don't let yesterday use up too much of today. Cherokee proverb. 11. The greatest strength is gentleness. Iroquois proverb. 12. Walk lightly in the spring. Mother Earth is pregnant. Kiowa proverb. 13. The more you give, the more good things come to you. Omaha proverb. 14. All plants are our brothers and sisters. They talk to us, and if we listen, we can hear them. Arapaho proverb. 15. Regard heaven as your father, earth as your mother, and all things as your brothers and sisters. Native American proverb. 16. We will be known forever by the tracks we leave. Dakota proverb. 17. Treat the earth well. It was not given to you by your parents, it was loaned to you by your children. Unknown. 18. Do not wrong or hate your neighbor, for it is not he that you wrong but yourself. Pima proverb. 19. When you were born, you cried, and the world rejoiced. Live your life so that when you die, the world cries and you rejoice. White elk. 20. In our every deliberation, we must consider the impact of our decisions on the next 7 generations. Iroquois proverb. 21. The heart of the world is a lush and mysterious place. Native American proverb. 22. The frog does not drink up the pond in which he lives. Sioux proverb. 23. Don't judge a man until you have walked 2 moons in his moccasins. Cheyenne proverb. 24. Wisdom comes only when you stop looking for it and start living the life the Creator intended for you. Hopi proverb. 25. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Cherokee proverb. 26. Those who have 1 foot in the canoe and 1 foot in the boat are going to fall into the river. Tuscarora proverb. 27. It is better to have less thunder in the mouth and more lightning in the hand. Apache proverb. 28. The old Lakota was wise. He knew that man's heart away from nature becomes hard. Standing bear. 29. You can't wake a person who is pretending to be asleep. Navajo proverb. 30. A good chief gives, he does not take. Mohawk proverb. 31. Don't be afraid to cry. It will free your mind of sorrowful thoughts. Hopi proverb. 32. With all things and in all things, we are relatives. Sioux proverb. 33. When you rise in the morning, give thanks for the light, for your life, for your strength. Tecumseh. 34. The only thing we know that comes back is the footprint. Navajo proverb. 35. Silence is the absolute poise or balance of body, mind, and spirit. Charles Eastman. 36. All dreams spin out from the same web. Hopi proverb. 37. To touch the earth is to have harmony with nature. Oglala Sioux Proverb. 38. Each bird loves to hear himself sing. Arapaho Proverb. 39. Time is not a line but a dimension, like the dimensions of space. Unknown. 40. Everything the power does, it does in a circle. Lakota Proverb. 41. The best sermons are lived, not preached. Unknown. 42. Breathe in the beauty and know that you are a part of it. Unknown. 43. Those that lie down with dogs, get up with fleas. Blackfoot Proverb. 44. The bird who has eaten cannot fly with the bird that is hungry. Omaha Proverb. 45. When you were born, you cried, and the world rejoiced. Live your life in such a way that when you die, the world cries and you rejoice. White Elk. I hope you found these Native American proverbs as inspiring as I did. If you want to explore more content like this and dive deeper into the wisdom of different cultures, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.